Just getting started with woodworking? These are the top beginner woodworking ideas that you can build even if you've never touched a tool before. From easy wood coasters and picture frames, to floating shelves, small benches, planter boxes, or cutting boards, these projects use basic tools, simple cuts, and don't demand a complete workshop. Build confidence, hone your skills, and see results fast. If you're new to woodworking, start with these beginner woodworking ideas and make something you'll actually use. To learn more about this video, click the link below.